Hey everyone, welcome to John Built It. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Dustopper. It's available at Home Depot. It's a fairly new cyclone dust collection product. First thing I wanted to do was take a look at everything that you get included in the box. Here's the main cyclone. Just snaps out a standard 5-gallon bucket. It seems to be built really well, nice thick material. Clearly labeled on top, hose to vacuum and pickup hose, so you know which hose goes where. Also comes with a 90-degree elbow to help hook it up and a 36-inch long, 2.5-inch hose. Should connect to most standard vacuums. Looks like we have everything we need included, so let's hook it up and see how it works. Okay, so I have everything laid out and ready to go. The first thing I'm going to do is take the cyclone. Wow, that snaps really nice and snug right on the bucket. Take my hose from the vacuum. Connect that where it says pickup hose. Take my elbow and put it on here. Put that on the vacuum. Real nice snug connectors. Okay, so I have a pile of planer shavings, some finer dust, dirt, and even some leaves. So how this works is turn the vacuum on and I'll vacuum this up, and the majority of that dust should end up in this bucket, not the vacuum. So let's see how it works. Okay, so now that we vacuumed all that up, let's see how good it worked. Wow. You can see there. Now let's see if any of it ended up in the vacuum. Unreal. Filter's clean. I don't see anything in the vacuum. I don't see anything at all. I'd say every bit of it went in that bucket. That works great. Okay, so I'm very impressed. This Dustopper did exactly what it says it does. It collected that whole pile in the bucket instead of the vacuum. What that's going to do is it's going to keep my vacuum filter clean, running more efficiently and stronger. It's so much easier just to empty that bucket instead of having to take the whole vacuum out. I also love how slim this is. It's so easy to install, just snaps on a bucket. I believe this is around $40 at Home Depot. And for that price, you can't go wrong. Everything you need is included, so easy to set up, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. This is my first video on YouTube. I'm going to be building a mobile cart to hold my vacuum and the bucket, so it's easier to move around the shop as one stand, as well as other build videos. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, give this video a like. I really appreciate it. Thanks.